Welcome back. Today, we're making one of Russia's most legendary soups, borscht. Let's bring in our ingredients. And yes, they always like making a dramatic entrance. Slice everything nice and thin. And don't worry if the beet stains your fingers. Now we gently saute the vegetables. This is where the amazing flavor begins. Look at that beautiful color. That's exactly what a perfect borscht should look like. Whoa, that aroma is powerful. I think this soup just cooked. Now we let everything simmer slowly. Patience makes every spoonful even better. Fresh dill goes in at the end. It's the little touch that changes everything. Come on, just fall already. Seriously, there we go. Wait, did I just make a heart? I think this soup officially loves me. Nice and steady. And, nope, back into the soup you go. Wow, rich, comforting, and absolutely delicious. This looks absolutely perfect. Whoa, that's hot. And here it is, authentic Russian borscht, made with a little ghost magic. Another country, another amazing recipe. Before you go check out previous videos, and don't miss your free Hoolou Coin. Follow all our social channels.